Hello everyone. Today what we'll be doing is we'll be building digital notepad. So it is similar to the notepad what you will see, and whatever we write in the notepad that will store it in the local storage using JavaScript. So let's start. I'll just create the index.html. Also CSS file. So initially what I'll do is I'll just create the basic HTML template and I'll change the title to digital notepad. So I'll just keep the name digital notepad. So let's start writing the HTML code. Initially what I'll do is I'll just take the div. I'll give the class name of container, right? Then next step, I'll just make use of the text area. So I'll just give I don't need name here. So also I don't need rows as well as columns. I'll just delete these things. I just need ID as well as the placeholder. So ID I'll give notepad, and placeholder I'll just give start typing, right? So this is for the text area. Next what I'll do is I'll just make use of one button. So for this one I'll just be giving the ID save button. So I'll also give the name save. So this is it for the HTML. Let's start writing the styles, right? First, initially what I'll do is I just want to import the Poppins font. For this, I'll just open the Chrome. I'll just search for Poppins font. I'll just click the first one, get font, get embed code. Just click on import and I'll just copy this. Just close this one. I'll just paste over here, right? I'll be making use of body. Inside that one, I'll be giving font family Poppins, and the secondary font I'll be making use of as sans serif. So also I'll give margin 0 and padding also 0. So next what we'll be doing is we'll be styling for the container. So sorry, I'll just copy again. I'll be giving the width 80%. So also margin 20 pixel auto, right? This is the first thing. And next, let's style for the text area. I'll just copy the text area. Let's consider width 100%, height 400 pixel, font size 16 pixel, and padding 10 pixel, border 1 pixel, solid CCC, and border radius I'll be giving 5 pixel. Also I'll make use of resize. I'll just give it to none. Next, let's start writing the styles for button. So I'll just copy and paste button. I'll give display block margin top of 10 pixel, padding of 10 pixel, 20 pixel, also font size of 16 pixel, background color I'll be giving 4F50, and color I'll be giving white, border I'll just give none, also border radius 5 pixel, also cursor will be pointer. Also let's design for button when on hover, right? I'll just give the darker background color, that is 45A049. So 1 second, this should be ash. Okay, this is fine. And next what we'll do is this is it for the CSS. So next let's check. What I have done is I have installed an extension called live server. What this does is whenever we make changes in the index.html or the HTML file, right? So the changes will directly get reflected in the browser. So what I'll do is I'll just right click and I'll click on open with live server. So let's check. For now, I think I have not linked the, let's link the style file. I'll just give the path style.css. Let's check again. So now it looks good, similar to the Notepad, right? So whatever, so by making use of JavaScript, what we have to do is whatever we write, we have to save it using the local storage. That's what we are doing, and by making use of JavaScript. Let's start writing the JavaScript code. For that, I'll just create index.js file. So I'll just include the same thing using script tag. So I'll just give index.js. Just move the index.js to here. So let's start writing the JavaScript code. So first what we'll do is we'll get the text area element and save button, right? I'll just comment it over and I'll write it here. Get the text area element and save button. For that one, I'll just be taking the variable name Notepad, and I'll be making use of document.getElementById. I'll just make use of Notepad, this one, right? We'll just make use of the Notepad. So next one, what I'll be doing is I'll just make use of the variable name save button, and I'll be making use of same thing, document.getElementById. Instead of, we'll be making use of save button, right? This one. So you'll just make use of the save button. So next what we have to do is we have to load saved text from local storage if available, right? For that purpose, what we'll do, I'll just comment it out and write load the saved text from local storage is available, right? For that one, I'll make use of if condition. So if local storage, make use of get item. So I'll make use of, I'll just make use of Notepad text. So I'll be giving value local storage get item of same thing. I'll just copy this one Notepad text. I'll just copy the same thing over here. So next step, what we have to do is, I'll just be writing the function to save the text to local storage. So I'll just comment it out and write function to save the text to local storage, right? For that purpose, we'll be making use of function save text local storage set item. I'll just copy paste the same thing, notepad text along with value, right? This one. So next step, what we have to do is, we have to listen for the input events on the text area. Just comment it out and write listen for the input events on the text area. For that one, what we'll be doing is notepad dot add event listener of input also save text. Finally, the last step, we also have to listen for the click events on the save button as well, right? Listen for click events on the save button. So what I'll be doing, save button, add event listener, click save text, right? So this is it for the JavaScript. I'll just format it once. So what we'll do is, let me also make it responsive by adding the media queries. So I'll just make use of media and second screen max width. I'll be giving 768 pixel. I'll just give the width 90%. Also for the text area, I'll just be giving height 200 pixel. So this is it. Next, what we'll do, I'll just go to index.html, just give the right click and click on open with live server. So initially, I'll just go to lorem ipsum text, click the first one, and I'll just copy the random text, right? Random paragraph I'll copy. I'll just paste and I'll just save. So after this, to check whether it has saved in the local storage, we'll just right click, inspect, or you can click on F12 as well. Let's go to application. Let's check the local storage, right? We are getting the key notepad text as well as the value, whatever we have pasted. So everything is working fine. Everything is working fine. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.